Okay, so hopefully this isn't the Wheel of Misfortune. $100 in.
Hello and welcome to Wheel of Fortune.
Okay, max betting, right?
Oh, no, that would be amazing.
The max betting, 25 cents. That was weird. I was like so slow.
Yeah.
Okay. Gold one. Oh. Right there. That was why.
Huh?
That's weird. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's the huge one if you want to get those. See, look, if you get on one pay line, that's massive. That's the one you really want to get.
Huh?
Not yet. There's no line hits. Okay, there's one. Gold. That's the one. Call him out. Oh? Okay. Warm it up. Okay. The top. Oh. Oh my god, that looks so good. So if that's all the way across, you get 600,000, I think.
Huh?
We had Red Hot 7s with 100 or with the. That was pretty good. Nice. Do it. Oh, right down there. That's the one we wanted. What?
That was like.
That was like, nah, no way. Right away, it just turned me down.
What?
No, it has to be on a line. I guess it's not a line. It has to be one down or one up right there. Oh? Oh? Okay, pretty good. Top, I think, is. Oh no. Yeah. I guess it's not a line.
That was a weird one.
That was a weird one. Yeah, sometimes it just like prematurely stops. You're like, what the heck is going on?
Huh?
That's an interesting one. You want to try a different machine, or? I think we warmed it up. That was a good one. Nice. Top or bottom? Oh, that'd be one lower.
Yeah, put them down.
That would have been it. Imagine winning the jackpot on this, just like all the way across. Wheel of Fortune. Huh? That was so fast.
That was weird. Huh?
Let me try my magic. Okay. Did it work? See? It
Got
kind of
something.
worked.
13.7.
Oh yeah, you can try back and forth. Why not?
I mean,
That was like, yeah, at least you have to spin in the middle. That was just a spin. Huh?
okay.
What?
Oh, that sucks.
That's so weird. Did that not count? It looks like the top line. I don't know.
Oh, one was 7.
Yeah.
This 7 is wrong.
That 7 is wrong, I agree. Okay. Gold. Oh, gold at the top. You want to try the other machine to the right? Or no? Yeah, I guess you're already kind of pot committed here.
This 7 keeps coming up.
I know, the white 7, you're right. It is.
Yeah, they're both like the same colors.
So 10 credits get you for the gold one.
Yeah, they're not hitting anything.
So now it says you're eligible or whatever.
No, this one has both of them.
Oh, does it? Because it said push 7 now. See, it says, I guess eligible for the other one. I don't know if there's 2 different ones. That white 7 every time just blocks all the fun.
That's weird. That doesn't say both.
What?
Wow. Because this is both.
Yeah. I don't know. It just says now it's eligible, but it wasn't before. How was that last one not a line? And top dollar is a line. Oh, there's only 5 lines. Okay.
Oh,
No,
it's this one.
it's that one. That's the problem. It's there again, but on a different side.
It's like teasing me.
I know. It leaves you with a perfect like 1 bet left. 2 bets.
Do you want to spin the
That machine?
No, this one.
Me?
No.
No, looks like it should be something. Whoops. Do that with the rage. That white 7. You can't literally go like 100 million spins without one wheel of misfortune, can you? I guess you can. Or not. Okay.
75 cents.
I think we should try a different machine. This machine's kind of... We're trying the other side? Alright, we'll try on the other side. The RV.